Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to see two amazing inbuilt functions present in Python. The first function is eval and the second function is execute. Here you can see the eval. The function can only execute Python expression. So let's say we are taking one input from a user which is an expression and which is a valid expression, and then we need to see what eval can do with that expression. So when I'm running this code, control enter or shift enter, then I need to enter an expression. For example, let's say I'm putting 10 plus 10, and here you can see this entire expression is executed and we are getting the result as 20. So any valid expression can execute in the Python. So for example, let's say when I'm running this again, let's say I'm printing print hello, and you can see this particular thing is executed. And here we can see there is none returned because there is no expression, so there is no evaluation and no result. So if you want to execute any Python expression, you can use eval to do that. Then we have this execute function which can execute any valid Python code. And the one thing about execute function, we need to provide all this Python code in string. If you are having just one line of Python code, then just use single quote or double quote. But if you have multiple lines of Python code, then just use these 3 double quotes and provide all the Python code inside this 3 double quote, and then it will be executed. And here you can see this is one line Python code. When I'm saying print 5 multiplied by x, and you can see the result is 45 printed, or this line is executed. And when we have a multiple lines of Python code, and here you can see n the game and print that particular string. So here you can see that particular string is printed using execute. So this is how these are two amazing functions which are inbuilt function present in Python. One is eval and one is execute. Eval only execute Python expression, and execute any valid Python code is going to execute here. So thank you everyone.